exploring the enigmatic beauty of Phalaenopsis lindenii. As a passionate orchid enthusiast, few species captivate my imagination quite like Phalaenopsis lindenii. With its elegant, arching sprays of delicate blooms and distinctively patterned leaves, this orchid species is a true gem of the plant kingdom. Join me on a journey as we delve into the captivating world of Phalaenopsis lindenii, uncovering its mysteries, challenges, and rewards. Why do Phalaenopsis lindenii become extinct? The plight of Phalaenopsis lindenii is a heartbreaking tale of habitat loss, overexploitation, and environmental degradation. Once abundant in the lush rainforests of Southeast Asia, this species now teeters on the brink of extinction due to rampant deforestation, illegal logging, and habitat fragmentation. As pristine forests are cleared to make way for agriculture, urban development, and logging operations, the delicate ecosystems that sustain Phalaenopsis lindenii are irreversibly disrupted, pushing this species closer to oblivion with each passing day. What are the conservation efforts in place to save Phalaenopsis lindenii? Efforts to conserve Phalaenopsis lindenii are underway, albeit with mixed success. Conservation organizations and botanical gardens are working tirelessly to protect remaining populations, establish ex situ conservation programs, and raise awareness about the importance of preserving biodiversity. In regions where Phalaenopsis lindenii still clings to existence, conservationists are collaborating with local communities to implement sustainable land management practices and enforce strict regulations against poaching and illegal trade. How can I help save Phalaenopsis lindenii? As stewards of the natural world, we all have a role to play in the conservation of Phalaenopsis lindenii. By supporting reputable conservation organizations, practicing responsible consumption, and advocating for stronger environmental protections, we can help safeguard the future of this majestic orchid species for generations to come. Additionally, cultivating an appreciation for native flora and fostering a connection to the natural world can inspire others to join the fight to save Phalaenopsis lindenii and other endangered species from the brink of extinction. What is the importance of Phalaenopsis lindenii in its ecosystem? Phalaenopsis lindenii plays a vital role in its native ecosystem as a pollinator attractant and a provider of food and shelter for various fauna. The intricate flowers of Phalaenopsis lindenii are adapted for pollination by specific insect species, ensuring the continuation of its reproductive cycle. Additionally, the presence of Phalaenopsis lindenii in the forest canopy creates microhabitats that support a diverse array of epiphytic flora and fauna, contributing to the overall biodiversity and ecological resilience of the ecosystem. How to care for Phalaenopsis lindenii? Providing optimal care for Phalaenopsis lindenii is essential for its health and well-being. This species thrives in warm, humid environments with bright, indirect light and well-draining growing medium. Regular watering, proper ventilation, and occasional fertilization are key to maintaining vigorous growth and vibrant blooms. Additionally, avoiding sudden temperature fluctuations and protecting Phalaenopsis lindenii from pests and diseases are crucial for its long-term survival. How to propagate Phalaenopsis lindenii? Propagation of Phalaenopsis lindenii can be achieved through various methods, including division of offsets, stem cuttings, and tissue culture. Careful attention to hygiene and sterile techniques is essential to prevent contamination and ensure successful propagation. By following established protocols and providing optimal growing conditions, orchid enthusiasts can propagate Phalaenopsis lindenii and contribute to conservation efforts through ex situ cultivation and reintroduction programs. What to plant with Phalaenopsis lindenii? When designing a garden or orchid display featuring Phalaenopsis lindenii, it's important to consider complementary companion plants that enhance its beauty and mimic its natural habitat. Epiphytic ferns, bromeliads, and other orchid species with similar cultural requirements can create a harmonious and visually stunning arrangement. Additionally, incorporating native tree species and understory plants helps recreate the ecological niche of Phalaenopsis lindenii and promotes biodiversity in the garden. In conclusion, Phalaenopsis lindenii stands as a symbol of resilience and beauty in the face of adversity. By understanding the challenges it faces and taking proactive steps to conserve and protect it, we can ensure that future generations will continue to marvel at the enchanting allure of this extraordinary orchid species. Let us unite in our efforts to safeguard the legacy of Phalaenopsis lindenii and preserve the rich tapestry of life it represents.